Hey, yoga friends, ever wonder if you can get a full body workout without once putting your hands on the mat? You're about to find out. Welcome to another episode in my hands free flow series, where we explore yoga beyond the typical down dogs and planks. This sequence deliberately incorporates all six moves of the spine and the four lines of the hip while facing both the short and the long sides of your mat. It might get pretty spicy, but I promise your hands stay off the ground the entire time. If you've tried my other hands-free flows, you'll notice how this one builds on those foundations while adding new challenges for your balance and your coordination. Remember my S.E.R.V.E method? I've created the structure for you. Now I invite you to experience it as a student first, then to take it and repeat it in your classes. From there, you can vary it intentionally, which will help you evolve as a teacher. This is just what I teach in my mentorship program for yoga teachers. Read about it here or in the video description. So unroll your mat or go mat free, just find some space and let's flow together. This split squat flow doesn't need a mat, but if you're using one, you can start facing its long edge. Now pivot to your left, I'll be your mirror. Orient yourself so that you're facing the short side of the mat if you're using one, and come along with me on your breath. Inhale, lift your arms and peel your right heel up off the mat. Exhale, lower your arms, replace your heel. We'll do that a few more times. If your shoulders prefer, you could simply be taking your hands to prayer. Or you can inhale your arms all the way up together or apart. Let's do two more. Inhales, lift, and exhales, lower. Now with your next inhale, pivot towards your screen, and as you exhale, orient yourself to the other side. We'll do the same thing. Inhale, lift your arms and your heel. Exhale, lower your left heel down. Move on your own breath rhythm. I'll be guiding about 5 repetitions of each new movement that we add, but if you wind up doing 3 or 6, it doesn't matter one bit. Let's say one more. Then we'll use the inhale to pivot toward the screen and exhale, go back to the first side, adding on. Inhale, lift your arms and your right heel. As you exhale, bend your elbows and your knees, come into this split squat. Inhale, lift. Exhale, return your heel and your hands down by your sides. Inhales, lift, and exhales, lower. In and up, out and down. About 2 more of these 2 breath cycles. Now use your inhale to swivel to face the wide edge of your mat or your screen, and exhale, orient the other way. Again, inhale, lift your heel and your arms. Exhale, bend your elbows and your knees. Inhale to come up, and exhale, return back to where you began. Take your time with this. Use the whole inhale to lift your hands and your heel, the whole exhale to bend your elbows and knees. One more round. Inhale, pivot. Exhale, face the other direction. Inhale, lift your back heel and your arms. Exhale, bend your elbows and knees. Keep this bend. As you inhale, swivel your hands down, puff your chest up, maybe straighten your right leg. And as you exhale, go the opposite direction, a slight cat back and a tuck of your pelvis. Again, inhale, swivel from your shoulders. Exhale, hands up. I like to call this one aggressive chicken, and this one surrendering shrimp. Let's do 2 more. Inhale, roll forward. Exhale, roll back. Last one. Then we'll inhale, straighten elbows and knees. Exhale, return to center. Switch sides. Inhale to start the switch. Exhale to finish it. Do any rearranging of your feet that works for you. Then inhale up, exhale down, and 5 times. We'll inhale, aggressive chicken. Exhale, surrendering shrimp. Arch your back in this chicken shape. Maybe straighten your left leg. Round it in the shrimp. Last one. Then we inhale to start the exit and exhale, lower down. Again, swivel in the opposite direction. To add, let's inhale, lift arms and back heel. Exhale, bend your elbows and knees. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, rise up, and as you exhale, swivel on the ball of your right foot, drop your right heel down, and come to this side lunge. Then inhale, square back front, and exhale, swivel to the side lunge. You've got the weight in the ball of your right foot as you make this move, and your left foot can stay really well planted throughout. One more, so we do about 5 on either side. My count might not be perfect. Now inhale, square back to the side. Exhale, lower your heel and your hands. Inhale, start your swivel. And exhale, continue till you're facing the other side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, chicken. Exhale, shrimp. Inhale, lift. Exhale, swivel on the ball of your left foot, lower your hands. Now inhale, square front, your hips and your knees face to the side, and exhale. Your left knee and toes face to the screen. In, swivel on the ball of your left foot, out. About 2 more. Each of these gives you the chance to make it more fluid, maybe more graceful. Now we'll inhale, lift, and exhale, lower. Inhale, quarter turn to your left. Exhale, another quarter turn to your left. Inhale, lift your hands and your back heel. Exhale, bend your elbows and knees. Inhale, arch your back, fingers down. Exhale, round your back, fingers up. Inhale, rise, swivel on the ball of your right foot. Exhale, arrive in this side lunge. Stay here, left hand to right knee. Inhale, lift your right arm up. Exhale, tap it down. 4 more of those. Inhale, create a long line from your left toes to your right fingers. And exhale, tap it down. 3 more. One more. Inhale to lift up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, square back off. And exhale, back to our starting shape. Inhale, quarter turn. Exhale, another quarter turn. In and up. Out and down, elbows and knees bend. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, come up through neutral. And exhale, lower down, we stay and twist 5 times. Inhale, lift your left fingers up. And exhale, tap your left palm to the back of your right hand. In and up. Out and down, 2 more. Last one, inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, square off. And exhale, back to where you started. Inhale, quarter turn. Exhale, another quarter turn. We've got one more shape in this flow. Inhale, lift your back, heel in your arms. Exhale, bend your elbows and your knees. Inhale, chicken. Exhale, shrimp. Inhale, rise up, swivel on the ball of your right foot. Exhale, lower down, side lunge. Inhale, right fingers up. Exhale, right fingers down, sweep back up. Keep your left knee bent, and with an exhale, take your left hand to your left hip and reach your right fingers up over your left shoulder. We're not going to pulse this one, we're simply going to hold it. And as we hold, you could keep your left hand on your left hip, you could reach your left fingertips down, or maybe you wrap your left hand around. There's also an option as we hold another breath or two to bend your right elbow and take your right hand to the left side of your head. As you come to a breath in, lift your arms. And as you exhale, lower your back heel. Other side. Inhale, quarter turn to the right. Exhale, another quarter turn to the right. Inhale, heel up. Exhale, bend your elbows and knees. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift and pivot on the ball of your left foot. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, long line from your left toes, your right toes to your left fingers, and then lower down. All right, we inhale to square forward, and we exhale into this side bend, for which you can lunge your right knee. You could have your right hand on your right hip. You could stay exactly there. You could let your right fingertips dangle. You could wrap your right hand around, or even just to the small of your back. There's also the option here to bend your left elbow and hold your head in your hand. Let's take another 2 breaths or 3 breaths. Then use an inhale to release the side bend, straighten your front leg, and exhale, return back to center. Let's do it as a flow. Inhale, quarter turn to the left. Exhale, face your initial direction. Inhale, back heel and hands up. Exhale, elbows and knees bend. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, start your swivel. And exhale, arrive in your side lunge. Inhale, long line, fingers to toes diagonally. Exhale, unwind, pivot. Inhale, up. And exhale, into the side. Inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. Inhale, quarter turn to the right. Exhale, another quarter turn. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, chicken. Exhale, shrimp. Inhale, lift, pivot on the ball of your left foot. Exhale, lower down. In and up, out and down. Keep going. Inhale, square front. Exhale, take your side bend. Inhale, up, and exhale, down. Again, inhale to start your rotation. Exhale, orient to the side. Inhales, lift, and exhales, lower. To the other side. In and out. In and out. Go on your breath. Let's do one more set, each side. Connect your breath and your movement. Inhale lifts things, and exhale lowers them. Pivot and finish on the second side. Bring your feet into a comfortable position. Check in with your body. Check in with your breath. What's next?